Saturday, I took the week off and I'm gonna do stuff out here on the Jeep. So I want to get this floor pan situated so I can move on. Anyway, I have to do a lot of modifications. I might have showed earlier, I can't remember. I bought the replacement panel for this and it doesn't quite fit. It was very awkward. So I'm going to take the old ride it out one and modify it. So I've already cut out the hole here, got one over on the other side. Now what I have to do is, since I screwed up, and for one I didn't know because this wasn't here on my Jeep when I bought it, and everything else is lined up except for this. So I need to modify this piece here, and I'm just going to I'm kind of leave it where it's at because I can bolt it down the way it is. But this is too round, I can smash it down, or I might just try smashing it first because it's pretty strong still, and then get a flat plate, not this one, obviously this goes here, but and force it to, you know, meet down on here. So that's what I'm working on right now. I know the top part fits, and I got the shift boot cover, it will fit. I do have to repair one hole, but overall, not bad. Got one little hole here, one little hole here. And this, I was banging around on it with the little Craftsman hammer, ball peen. And I gotta bang it down just a little bit more, probably about right there. Press it down, and it'll fit. If I can clean up this piece just a little bit, I think we'll be good. I'm gonna fill that hole. And what I am going to do is I'm gonna drill a hole right about there. And then put a bolt with a nut cert, and then I'm going to put one here obviously, and I'll probably put one like right around the corner. I think we'll be good. One more. Okay, I still have a whole bunch of holes to drill. 3, 4, 5, probably 6. I don't think I'm gonna put one there. 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna put 10 holes in this floor. Alright, all the holes are drilled. I want them to be. Sunday morning. I already did sweep, swab, clean, gone to the store, all kinds of stuff today. Alright, I needed to go to the store and I had to buy a 2-gallon bucket because if you're gonna mix all this up, you can't do it in just this can, it'll overflow. But I got myself light quartz gray this time. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Alright, I got a lot of the cutting in done. Now I gotta climb in, start rolling, and then pop out so I can get to this point here. I also am gonna paint the inside of the toolbox because obviously it's the floor. So I think let's pop in. Let's get this done. So that's no rain. You look off in the distance over there, it sure looks like it to me. It looks good. It's dry, it's been over 24 hours, but light use. Don't go too crazy. And I suspect if I leave that down, it's probably going to get sticky and I'll pull some of it up. So I might just go ahead and unbolt it and leave it not tight just so that it'll breathe and let it cure. It takes about 3 to 7 days for it to fully cure. Like I said, it's not perfect, but I'm pretty impressed. Got a little gap there. It's fine. Heck, you probably won't even see it because the driver's seat comes down and then the foot comes to here. The other foot goes over there, where that washer is. Actually, yeah, when I lay on it, because the humidity right now is kind of gross, but it's a little sticky, and I gotta fix this because I do need to use that. Just for walking the chair down. This reminds me of both mates at the work. Except for an engineer, we do things a little differently. It's once over rust, twice over dust. That department, they just paint everything, doesn't matter.